The reason why is accumulation candle on the hourly. It manipulates and starts to come back up. Now we drop to a lower time frame, the 5-minute from the hour, to get a more of a sniper entry. You can see that this 5-minute candle is one that broke, and it's a hammer. So once price starts to go above this, this is when we can enter for a nice sniper entry to the long side. My target is the 50% of that accumulation 1 out. Or maybe I could just take 1 out instead of guessing here. All right, we'll take out 1. I like that one better. Because I'm over here like, should I take out 1? Should I take out 2? Just take out the 1. And now I could do the break even with 1 micro left to the upside. All right, ready? This is the Y. Accumulation candle, large 15-minute candle. Next candle rips down, soul collects, and then manipulates back up. Now, once you start to see that it starts to manipulate up, I drop down to a lower time frame, 15-minute time frame, and then I drop to a 1-minute. Now the 1-minute, what is it doing? It rips below. We got our soul collector flag, meaning the souls are trapped. It just ripped through one of the lows. And it comes down and we get a hammer, and then it breaks to the upside. Once we confirm that it starts moving up, we enter in. We had 2 in long. I got out 1 already at the 50% of the candle of the accumulation. And now we're going to see if it wants to rip to the top side.